Hey Queens and Kings, welcome back you guys, and thank you guys so much for watching. So today I will be showing you guys my 2019 spring/Easter tour. So of course we're going to start here at the beginning of the home, which is the front door. Here is my DIY bunny wreath that I shared with you guys. I totally love the way that this turned out. The bunny alone basically represent my whole home. As you guys know, I am a rustic glam lover, so you guys gonna see a little rustic here throughout the home, but a whole lot of glam as well. So basically this is how the entryway look. I did make a little few changes, and that's basically placed these sconces here on the side, and then I did a little smaller wreath of the bunny that also matches another wreath that you guys will see pretty soon. Now here for my dining room, just a little disclaimer. You see that base there? That is my base for the beginning of my table. But right now I can't find a glass, so I'm still looking. But what I do love about my dining room is basically the spring feel of these lavender curtains that I took out of Jasmine's room since she changing her color. I totally love the way how it looks in here. I love how the lavender just pops and just give a little extra color. But it speaks springs for me. My whole home is just about lavender. I love it, as you guys can see so far. So this little area here ain't too much have changed on my bar. I did a couple DIYs that I did share with you guys, which I will also link down below or at the end of the video. But I totally love the way how I look. I didn't want to do too much lavender over here or too much Easter decor because I have the lavender curtains. They are big and bold. So I just put a little fruit, little bunnies, and Easter egg or whatever. So here at the bottom of my bar, that's another DIY. Well, all of these are DIYs, but that lavender egg is from Marshall. And those little eggs in there, Andre put them in there inside the candle holder. He always up to something. I totally love how it looks, so once I do find my glass, I'm quite sure the dining room will come together. So, but anyways, moving on here to my little entryway. I don't have nothing above the entryway because I'm actually trying to find some decor to go on the walls. But all I did was place some candles over here. Another Easter DIY that I did of my own, which I'll also link down below or at the end of the video, as well as these candles here. I just wanting the pop of lavender around my home because, like I said, the curtains are already bold. So I decided to place a little bit of Easter decor over here, as well as to the bottom of the console table, entryway table I mean to say. So I got my little bling baskets as well as my bling bunny rabbit that I got from Marshall's. The bling eggs came from Marshall's as well. The lavender one came from the at-home store, and the gold ones came from the Dollar Tree. And I just have some little rusty balls there that came from Hobby Lobby and a throw. So moving on over here in my little seating area, I love the way how this turned out just by placing the flowers over the end, the staggers of the tall candles that I have here over in the corner. These flowers came from Z Gallery. The little bling ones sticking out there came from Pier 1. Those are called foxtails, and I just placed some lavender flowers in here. Not too much going over here, but there's nothing above the seating neither because I'm gonna find something else to go above there. And here this He Is Risen, which is the reason we celebrate Easter to this day, but I got that from at home. Now here moving on over to my kitchen area, which I totally love the way how I have this design, which it ain't too much going on other than what I usually do because the space is so small. So I have my little glasses, bling glasses that I got purchased all from Ross. The lavender placemat came from Home Goods. The gold ones came from Hobby Lobby. The white plates came from Dollar Tree. Those little bling, little round plates that you guys see, which is not plates, that actually are picture frames. I just took the glass and everything out of. But the little bunnies came from Family Dollars last year. So this is that cute little setup. Now here over here by the stove in the kitchen, I did this little vignette once before. I do have a video because I did it a collaboration, and I just placed a little Easter bunny there, like not a bunny but a egg, like it's actually hiding or whatever. But I do like this little concept here. I did make some little changes. I add the little flowers over here, you know, just shuffle some things around. Not nothing major going over here, but this was a little vignette that I did for a challenge that I participate in, which I will also link that as well. Now just moving along, I just add my little pot holder above the stove, and I still have my Beast Cafe sign, which you guys seem to love. And I just moved over here, which it is basically my husband. It's all his doing here, so he had to add his little touch. Then I just place another one of those little bling eggs in there like they are actually hiding. Then I have my little wooden thankful sign, which I am so thankful for you all for actually clicking on the video as well as supporting me. Then I just have some bunnies on top of the microwave. Now here across from the stove or whatever next to the sink here, I just have my 2-tier bling tray that I got from Ross. And I just have this little bling bunny egg here that came from Family Dollars last year. And they say Jesus love you. The Easter egg hunt came from Target Dollar Spot. And you guys know where the rest of the eggs and stuff come from. But this is just this total little setup that looks out to the living room. Now for the living room, I went ahead and did what you guys asked me to do, because you guys wanted to see how I look with the furniture placed like this. Honestly, I like it, but you guys know I'm all about changing. So, but it has been like this probably past 2 months now. So but before we get into the details of the living room, here on the side with the AC vent or whatever, I have this little side table, console table here. I just have my Z Gallery main boxes. Then I have Somebody Love You sign here, came from the At Home store last year. I did haul a lot of my Easter things. And here is my DIY candle holder that I did, and I just have a lamp over here. And then I have my little candle holder, and I placed one of those bunnies that I got from Target Dollar Spot last year. And I placed some flowers in there as well as some greenery, just to bring a little pop of the lavender and greenery over here. That's one thing you guys will see out through my home, lavender and some greenery for spring. So here above the sofa here, one of my mirrors I just still have on this wall. I didn't change anything, but it's a DIY wreath that I did that mimics the one that's in my entryway. And I totally love the way that it came out. I did not show you guys this because it's like if you've seen one wreath, you have seen them all. Ain't too much you can do about a wreath. But yeah. So moving on down above the sofa, down to the sofa here, I just have some DIY pillow covers that I did that I got this fabric from Walmart, which it mimics the fabric that I use for napkins on my buffet area there, or my breakfast bar, I mean to say. And the bunny pillow came from Amazon. And here above the fireplace, which you guys know, this was in my bedroom once before, but I took it back out and brought it here. Not sure I'm still fond of it. I think I'm really going to get rid of the fireplace. I'm going to sell it. But I just have some little faux pocket carry jars and candle holders and stuff filled with bunnies and decorative balls and things like that, and some more greenery. There's too much going on, and just inside the fireplace just place some greenery just to soften it up some. But here is my gorgeous, I love the way how my coffee table turned out this year for spring. I don't know, I believe it's just that pop of lavender. Then I just have some family portraits. That is Andre when he was a baby, Jasmine back there when she was at least about 8 years old. Then I just have my little bling bunny that I got from the At Home store. This spinning tray came from Home Goods. The coasters came from Burlington. I believe that Happy Easter sign came from the At Home store or Roses, something like that. And my little stack of coffee table books in that little bling picture frame there that I use as a tray. But these bling candles holder came from Pier 1. But I love the way how it all look, how it combines together, and how it all turned out. What you guys think? So moving on down below the coffee table, I still have my DIY XO, which I love that thing. I love that. Then my little decorative books ends that I purchased from Home Goods that I recently showed you guys most of some of these items in a haul. In my Chanel books or whatever, which I purchased from Amazon. So that's all what's down there. But I totally love how the way that this coffee table turned out. Really how my living room turned out with this lavender. I really love how it all looks. So the love seat is basically the same pillows. Once again, those bunny pillows came from that Amazon. And I made those lavender pillow covers. But pretty much this is my home tour. So I hope you guys enjoyed this spring home tour, how I decorated for spring/Easter. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share the video please, and subscribe if you are new here. And hopefully I will have my glass table by the next time you guys get to see my dining room again. So with that being said, Queens and Kings, you all have a blessed day, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye bye.